Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong China machine. Today we are sending our multifunctional hammer mill to Italy. As you can see, this is the machine of the multifunctional crusher machine. Our advantage of this machine, we have two input part. The two input part, here you can fit with wood logs, and here you can put wood chips, and animal feed material like corn, wheat, soybean, or agriculture waste like any kinds of stock, grass into this input part. This crusher fit with 11 kilowatt electric motor, and the capacity for wood logs is about 200 to 300 kilograms per hour. And for animal feed like corn, soybean, the capacity is about 300 to 500 kilograms per hour. And this crusher will work together with the fan blower. It's fit on the crusher machine. And also this pipe will connect with an cyclone for collect the materials. And as you can see, this crusher, the inside structure. Here is an blade plate. It fit with many pieces of cutting blade. Over here is for hardwood cutting. And over here we also fit with many pieces of hammers. It's for fine grinding work. And over here the sieve, we put 4 millimeters sieve, 4 millimeter sieve, and it can grind these raw materials to a very fine powder for next process used, for example, like pellet making or for animal feed. So this kind of multifunctional crusher suitable for many different size raw material, no matter big size or smaller size wood chips. It can grind this material to a small powder. And this machine is also high efficiency, high capacity working. If you like Lonza brand multifunctional crusher, please send your requirement to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.